how do you increase the focus apps on your Android? Let me talk about it. And of course, if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, if you get inside your settings app on your Android, you can go to the modes and routines, which is a very interesting section. And in there, you can basically set up different focus modes, right? On different platforms, it's called focus. In here, it's just modes and routines, but it does the exact same thing and gets the job done either way. But the point is that you can add apps which are going to trigger individual focus modes. For example, if I want to have the work mode enabled when I open up my email application, I can set it up very simply by getting inside of the specific mode. Like I'm going to tap on focus, I'm in the work mode in here, and I can see that when you turn it on automatically, you're going to add the app opened as a condition, right? So you add any applications which is supposed to like trigger this particular mode. So as I said, I can select work-related apps, and it would just mean that whenever I open up the application, it will automatically turn on the focus mode or this like work mode. So if you want to increase or bump up the amount of apps, you can just add it like so, and make sure that the conditions are there to be turned on automatically. So yeah, that's very useful actually, and you can do it for as many apps as you want and also set it up differently for different modes. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something else which you had in mind and I did not really mention it, then let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make more videos about it because I just publish a lot of tutorials. I'm trying to help as many people as I can. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.